Unfortunately, unfortunately. Unfortunately, the event has been cancelled. Unfortunately, the event has been cancelled. Original, original. Please keep the original receipt for your records. Please keep the original receipt for your records. Rent, rent. The monthly rent for the office is quite high. The monthly rent for the office is quite high. Memo, memo. The memo was sent to all staff this morning. The memo was sent to all staff this morning. Luggage, luggage. Please leave your luggage at the front desk. Please leave your luggage at the front desk. Editor, editor. The editor reviewed the article before publication. The editor reviewed the article before publication. Exhibition, exhibition. The exhibition runs until the end of the month. The exhibition runs until the end of the month. Temporary, temporary. She is in a temporary position at the Nagoya office. She is in a temporary position at the Nagoya office. Traditional, traditional. The inn serves traditional Japanese breakfast. The inn serves traditional Japanese breakfast. Admission, admission. Admission to the museum is free on Sundays. Admission to the museum is free on Sundays.